It is very easy to make a home remedy for cough using the ingredients that you might be having right in your kitchen or that are easily accessible. In this recipe, we are going to use 6 simple ingredients. We are going to use ginger. Ginger is a very good herbal remedy for respiratory troubles like cough, influenza, asthma, throat infections, cold, and other related illnesses. It has many other benefits apart from the respiratory issues, like it's an antibiotic, it's an anti-inflammatory, it's an antioxidant, antiseptic, and many others. But today, and for this purpose, we are going to concentrate on its effectiveness in combating respiratory problems. It is also good at relieving headaches, migraines, and fever. So you see that it is very beneficial when it comes to cough and flu. Our second ingredient is going to be garlic. It is also equally effective in the respiratory system. It is a strong antibiotic, antibacterial, a detoxicant, a digestive, an immune booster, an antioxidant. It's good in relieving coughs, bronchitis, asthma, just to mention but a few. These two are the key ingredients. But we are going to also add thyme and turmeric, which are also good, equally good, and they are going to be putting the synergy together to make a very effective, potent remedy. So we are going to be extracting these herbs using an oxymel, which is a mixture of honey and vinegar. So here I have banana vinegar, homemade. It has the mother in it. But if you do not have homemade vinegar, if you have apple cider vinegar, it can work very well. And here we have our honey that we are going to mix in. Let's begin by pounding the garlic and ginger. We have pounded our ginger and garlic. Now we are going to take an empty jar and we are going to put all our ingredients there. So our ingredients are in here. Normally I don't measure, I eyeball, but I've used around 3 tablespoons of thyme, around 3 tablespoons of turmeric and ginger. So on top of this I am going to be pouring the honey. And then I'll be topping it up with vinegar. So we are going to mix thoroughly. So we've finished our mixing. And we are going to cover this jar and let it sit for about 6 weeks. After 6 weeks, we shall strain out because all the goodness will have been extracted into the liquid. And we shall strain out and then use it as our cough remedy. The way to use it is really dependent on your taste. Personally, I would take a tablespoon or 2, 3 to 4 times a day, but again, it's up to you. If you feel that the vinegar is a lot, you can add some more honey because even honey, raw honey alone is an expectorant, which is good for cough. So we are going to keep it until 6 weeks, and we shall have our cough remedy ready. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, you can check out more of our videos on our channel, and please subscribe and hit that notification bell such that you won't miss any video that is uploaded.